we're going to try to remove this today. So what we're going to have to do is each one of these fans has 3 or 4 screws. I'm not sure. I think they're 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, each one has 4 screws. I'm going to try to show them. I already removed them. There's one here. There's one here. There's one here. And there's another one over here. So I already removed this one. So what I also did, I went to the socket fan. EVGA did, as you know, the brand is not producing any more graphic cards. EVGA did this, had this layout, which makes it very simple. I just removed everything. So I have the, I'm just going to show you the size of the screws. They're very, very small. There are 4 of them, like these ones. They're very, very small, so try not to lose them. And we're going to remove, remember, I detached the connector and it comes through the hole here. Just going to show you here. As you can see, this is very, very, very dirty. See, that's a, you can see through. And here is the fan connector. And it's hidden behind this plate, the cables for the other 2 fans. It's not just dust and powder. These white parts, they're like oxidative. The thing's oxidated a bit. What kind of fan do we have here? So this is DC bushless Power Logic is the brand of it. 12 volts, 0.55 amps, 2 ball bearings. Okay, as you can see, if I remove the fan, it's very easy to clean, but in this case, these ones, I'm forcing the cable and I don't like the solution. And I'm going to try to remove this, this plastic cover. There's some screws here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's the cable for the RGB. There's RGB cable here. Don't forget that. I almost forgot it, but no big deal. We can do this. And now, as you can see, we have this. There's this small clip over here. You can move the fans to this side. They're out of the way. This one is out of the way, out of the way. Okay. You see how easy it is once you disassemble that part. You just need to route. Good thing I'm filming, so if I have a question, I can go back and see. So this is a 3080 without the fans. Just want to share another thing with you. In case you think this is glued, well, this is not glued. This is just held by these 2. There's 2 small pieces of plastic that hold it, so you can remove this out of the way so it can help you out with the cleaning. And now you can see all the fins. The connector, if you want to remove this connector, you would have to remove the heatsink, because it will hit a heat pipe here, and you can't remove it with the heatsink on. So just gonna leave it here. No big deal. Well, I just came up with a very, very stupid idea. If your card is heating very much, well, you can increase the fan size. You put 2 big fans or 3 big fans here, and you got your problem solved. Maybe. And you're gonna start to have headaches, or just use headphones every time you're using the card. Good thermal solution. Tell me in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. If you like my videos, just for reference, or even for future reference, like I said, I do my videos many times just for my own reference, so I don't forget how things assemble, disassemble, and configure, and all those kind of stuff. Please consider subscribing, share with your friends, and leave your thoughts below. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.